What's up, guys? It's Tarnished by Grace, aka Mr. Component, and I'm here with another Creator Method video. And I just wanted to give you guys some helpful tips just in case you have multiple devices, such as a laptop. Um, you see, this is one of my computers here, a laptop, extra monitor. That's one of my computers, and there's one on top. So I do a lot of videos. I do a lot of organizing, documenting. You know, some videos are just to keep for information. Other videos are to put out there. I do a lot of PDF work, just so much things, so much information that I collect, create, and you know. So this is gonna be why storage is important, part two. When you have a lot of storage and the hardware to support the storage, like your PSU, the power supply, the bigger your power supply, the more storage you can actually link and attach to your computer. The reason why I'm talking about this is because the more we do documenting, filming, video editing and shit, we're trying to speed things up. We're trying to get work done, videos, all this. And considering we have a lot of people have iPhones and Samsungs and higher quality phones and Androids, these things, these videos, they go to 2K, 4K, 30 frames to 60 to even 120 if you got it like that. You feel me? If you're on a phone, is ridiculous. But even cameras and shit. So uploading these things to like Google Drive or a flash drive, sometimes it takes way too long considering a deadline or something. And us as creators, us as people who use a computer on a daily to get things done, people who make their bread on the internet, whether you make your bread on the internet or not, we all use a computer, and these things take time. So I'm going to show y'all a couple things that we can use also on why our storage is so much more important now than more than ever, to speed production up. So we're going to get into it. Okay, guys, so I'm going to be recording this on my computer as well. I'm going to give you guys multiple perspectives on how this is going to work. So we're going to be using something called LocalSync. I'm going to show you guys how to install it and actually, use it on multiple devices. So I have my iPhone 15 right here, and this is my laptop. This laptop does not have LocalSync in it, strictly for the purpose of this video, so I can show you guys how to do this shit. Okay. So we're gonna start recording in OBS on the laptop, just so you guys can see. So this is me POV on the laptop. We're gonna Google search LocalSync. So it should be the first one, localsync.org. It'll say download. I'm using Windows, so I'm just gonna use the exe installer. You can choose wherever you want to put this. I'm just gonna put it here for now. Okay, it downloaded. So we're gonna open up the exe. We're gonna say yes, we want to make changes. English. We're gonna create a desktop shortcut. Nothing too crazy, just a simple installation process. Boom, finished. Okay, now we have LocalSync now. So we downloaded it and then we opened it up and it says laptop number 2. So now in real time, I'm going to show you guys how you can do this very easily. So I have LocalSync opened up on desktop. Lovely BlackBerry is the iPhone that I'm using in this video. Laptop number 2 is now, of course, the laptop. So for this to work, every single device needs to be connected to the exact same Wi-Fi. Okay, so now our laptop is connected, our desktop is connected, and our mobile device is connected. There's 3 options here, which is receive, send, and in our settings. I'm gonna want to send something. So now that I'm connected to the same networks as the other devices, they're listed here. So you can see this in desktop. I will refresh. It'll say laptop and Lovely BlackBerry. And then in laptop, it'll say the same thing. When I refresh it, it will say Lovely BlackBerry and Big Pear. Big Pear is the desktop. Here I have different options of what I want to send. Boom, media. Confirm. So I have my photo, my video, and I have these 2 devices that I want to send it on. Just sent it to the desktop. And now we're gonna take the same video and send it to laptop. And now the laptop has received the same file. So if I wanted to do that from any of these two PCs, the laptop or the desktop, I could do vice versa to the phone. So instead of using Google Drive and waiting way longer to get these things to your devices, you can simply just use local send. Tip number 2, which is if you cannot afford a video editing software or you're not trying to pay shit for one, y'all need to go and look for DaVinci Resolve, free version by Blackmagic Design. They give you all types of good features, color grading, and different things like that, where you can sit and make tons of fucking YouTube videos and put some pretty good quality. You just gotta put some elbow grease in. This program is used freely to make YouTube videos such like as you were to do in CapCut, of course. But if you're just trying to output a simple YouTube video and do some clean editing with no watermarks, use DaVinci Resolve. And the third tip is OBS. I use OBS for simple documentation, recording my screen, using a simple condenser USB mic, you know. So with local send, DaVinci Resolve, and OBS, you have like a perfect streamlined way of recording your videos with your phone or your laptop or your desktop locally, being able to transfer them within your own home as long as they're connected to a work, Wi-Fi, so you can get all your devices to, communicate in some way and, transfer files a lot faster. And then you have DaVinci Resolve. Yeah, you can filter it all in there, and edit your videos and things like that. And you don't have to deal with Google Drive.
Join Creator Methods for more tech tips.